Hi there! Today we'll show you just how easy and straightforward it is to create a file backup using AhsayOBM on Linux GUI. Whether you want to protect your personal documents, photos, videos, or any other important files, Ahsay guarantees that all your data is 100% secure and always recoverable. If you're interested in learning how to protect your important data, let's go to my screen and get started. To start with, open AhsayOBM. Enter the root password to proceed. Enter your credentials to log in. Before being able to do a backup job, you'll need to create the backup set first. Click Backup Sets. Click the plus sign. You may rename your backup set or you can use the default name provided. Keep the default selection for backup set type. Then, click Next. It's time to select the folders or files you aim to back up. The root folder is selected by default. To select specific files and/or folders, unselect this and click I would like to choose the files to back up. In the Advanced Backup Source window, you can select specific files and folders from the available local destinations you want to back up. Collapse any of the available folders to see the additional subfolders and tick off the Show Files checkbox so files will appear. I'll select a folder. This automatically selects all the subfolders in it, including all the files within these subfolders, such as photos, videos, docs, Excel files, PDF, etc. for backup. Unless you want to exclude some, you're free to unselect whatever folder or file you want. Click OK to continue. Then, Next. For schedule, you may use the default schedule provided, or click Add to create a new one. For this, we'll use the default schedule and click Next to continue. Select your preferred storage destination. Ahsay Drive is already selected. As we're using this default storage destination alone, we'll leave it on default and click OK, then Next to continue. Now for encryption, we will use the default setting. Click Next. Keep a copy of your encryption key before clicking Confirm. If you forget or lose your encryption key, you will lose the ability to access and restore your backup data. When the backup set is successfully created, you will see this confirmation page. You now have the option to back up your files right away by clicking Backup Now, or wait for the scheduled backup to start. For this, let's select Backup Now. Once done, you'll see under the progress bar that the backup has been completed successfully. And that is how to back up your files using AhsayOBM on Linux GUI. Very quick and easy. Our backup solution provides a simple yet effective way to ensure the safety and security of your important files, whether they are personal documents, photos, videos, or any other data. Start backing up your files now with Ahsay for guaranteed protection against all types of data loss, including data corruption, human error, malicious employees, ransomware, and hackers. That's why you should choose Ahsay. Your data is safe with us.